Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Welcome back to our practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. It's time to teach you everyday practical Hakka. And 今天呢，you know what? 今天来谈吃的好了。
好，
我肚子饿了。
送你一颗蛋，给了。
给论 Why not? Let's teach you how to say eggs, right? And things associated with eggs. 好，去买一盒鸡蛋。Let's go buy a box of eggs.
去買一盒雞卵。
去買一盒雞卵。Okay, 雞卵 again, that's eggs.
那雞蛋的海陸腔，雞卵。
雞卵 that's a different dialect for eggs. All right, now eggs is for chicken eggs, right? Sometimes here in Taiwan you can eat duck eggs. 有时候有鸭蛋也蛮好吃的哦。
鴨卵。
哦，就鴨卵。Okay, so 鴨 is actually the duck, 卵 is the egg. 然后雞蛋。
雞卵。
雞卵 is actually 雞 is chicken, 雞卵又是蛋嘛。鸡蛋有什么样的料理呢？蛋炒饭就很基本的，
对，
但很好吃。蛋炒饭，
乱炒饭，
乱炒不能乱炒啊！刚刚讲啊，蛋炒饭要。
我没有说乱炒饭，是蛋炒饭。
蛋炒饭 ，Okay, it sounds like I'm gonna stir up something messy, okay, but it actually means egg fried rice. 蛋炒饭，
乱炒饭，
乱炒饭 ，OK， 今天中午吃蛋炒饭。
董猪是乱炒饭。
董猪是乱炒饭 Okay, that means for lunch, I'm gonna have some egg fried rice. Alright, 还有什么呢？煎蛋嘛，对不对？
对。
Okay, fried eggs, whether it be over easy or sunny side up, it's all called frying an egg. 煎蛋。
煎卵。
煎卵 Okay. In Taiwan, actually, a lot of people love to put soy sauce after they fry their eggs. 其实这我在台湾比较常有说放酱油在这个鸡蛋上面，煎蛋上面，可是说真的很好吃。Okay, 我吃煎蛋喜欢加酱油。When I eat fried eggs, I like to put some soy sauce on it.
我是煎卵。
我是煎卵。
較好加調油。
較好加調油 Okay, that means 我喜歡 I like to add a little bit of soy sauce. Let's review these terms all about eggs. 雞蛋 that's just the egg, chicken eggs in particular.
雞卵。
雞卵 But if it's duck eggs, 鴨蛋。
鴨卵。
鴨卵 And then if it's egg fried rice, 蛋炒飯。
亂炒飯。
亂炒飯 And finally, 煎蛋 which is a fried egg.
煎卵。
煎卵 And there you have it. It's today's practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.